Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Ashish Webcast. I hope you all are doing well. I'm recording series of videos to demonstrate how to set up a two-tier PKI environment. So in this series, we will learn each and every steps that is required to deploy a two-tier PKI environment. So let's first understand what is two-tier PKI environment. So in two-tier PKI environment, we will have an offline root certificate authority. That is, that server will not be joined to domain. Rather, the certificate authority will be in workgroup, and most of the time it will be in offline, or you can say shutdown mode. And we will have one domain joined enterprise issuing certificate authority, which will issue certificates in your environment. So let's understand what is my current lab configuration to deploy the two-tier PKI environment. So let's see the environment. So this is my single forest, single domain AD environment, and it is ashishwebcast.com. I have one domain controller. So this domain controller will definitely have a DNS, and it will also have LDAP path for CDP and AIA. So let's without going further, let's understand what is CDP and what is AIA. So CDP is CRL distribution point. So CRL is basically certificate revocation list. It is basically a mechanism used in PKI to manage the revocation of digital certificates. So what happens whenever a certificate authority revokes a certificate, it adds that certificate information to the CRL, indicating that this particular certificate is no longer valid in your environment. And what about AIA? So AIA is Authority Information Access. So basically it provides information about how to access additional information related to certificate issuer and the certificate itself. So it will allow the certificate verifiers to retrieve necessary information to validate the certificate and establish the trust. And apart from that, we have the offline root CA. You can see it is out of my domain. So it is basically will be in work group, and it will be our offline root CA. We have one server that is inside our domain. This is it is enterprise issuing CA, and we will have one web server, server 1, which will host the path for this HTTP part for CDP and AIA, and it will, you can also say it's online responder. So that is my lab configuration. So we will see our another video in will we will start setting up the two-tier PKI. So stay tuned for my next videos. Thanks.